I would tell you I was at Lancaster Central today, and I met with some fourth grade kids. I was telling Karen about it. I love to get in a classroom about every 2 weeks in Indiana, but I love to meet with our teachers in the lounge. I said, "What's your greatest challenge?" Without hesitation, one of the teachers said to me, who'd been teaching there for 30 years, she said, "It's what's happened with the breakdown of the family. The greatest challenge that we have in the schools here in Wells County is the fact that 30 years ago, the condition of families, the support structure that families provided for kids was different than it is today." And so the work that you all are about tonight, the generosity that you've shown by being here tonight, I just want to commend you for, because you understand that strengthening and rebuilding the families will be how we proceed with stronger children, stronger communities, a stronger state, and a stronger nation.